Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
How's your day, Peter? Yes, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
What are you doing, Peter?
Um, I'm learning English.
Oh, okay. You are learning English. What about before our class? What did you do? Or maybe in the morning and as well as in the afternoon. What did you do, Peter?
I don't understand.
What did you do in the morning?
I learn in school.
Oh, you learn at school. Okay, wow. So you have a very productive day, Peter. You have an extra class, I must say. Okay, now we'll start our class with a review. Can you tell me again what it means when we say hilarious, Peter? Can you still remember it, Peter?
Um,
Hilarious.
um, is scary.
It's scary. Hilarious. Okay, I'll translate that for you, Peter, and tell me the meaning in English. Hilarious.
Vui vẻ,
What is it in English, Peter?
Is funny.
Okay, yes, it's extremely funny. That's right. Now, what about predictable? Predictable.
I don't know.
Okay, same strategy, Peter. I'll translate it. Predictable.
dễ đoán,
What is it in English, Peter?
Um, it's easy things.
Easy to.
Easy to think.
Easy to guess. Okay, wait. Easy to guess.
dễ đoán thôi,
Okay.
Right? Okay, that is predictable, Peter. It will happen in a way that you expect it to be. Like, for example, if I would say that after our class, you will eat your dinner. Okay, so that is just predicting. I don't really know if that is what you will do, but I believe that is what you will do. And if you will do it, then it happens in a way that I expected, Peter. Now, what about gripping?
Um, is 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 good.
It is. Can you say it again?
It is good.
Oh, it is good. Yes, it could mean that something is good, Peter. So when we say gripping, it is interesting, it is exciting, and it is keeping a person's attention, Peter, which means that it's good. Okay, the movie is good because you want to keep on watching it. What about awful?
It's very bad.
Okay, yes, extremely bad. What about addictive?
I don't know.
Okay, wait. Addictive.
gây nghiện,
What is it?
Okay. Okay.
What is it in English, Peter?
Um, it's like um addictive games.
Oh, addicted to games. Are you addicted to games?
No.
Oh no, you're not. What are you addicted to? Are you addicted to something?
I addictive. Um. I addictive. I'm not addictive.
Okay, you're not addicted to anything. Okay, that's good, Peter. Yes, when we say addictive or addicted, it means you find something very difficult to stop doing or to stop using, Peter. That is addictive. Like, for example, we could be addictive to a drug or a certain activity. Now, what about entertaining?
I don't know.
Oh, can you still remember that we talked about this one yesterday, Peter? Entertaining.
Giải trí.
Okay, please explain this in English, Peter.
Is have fun.
Okay, so yes, that's correct. You're having fun doing something. You are enjoying it. It's making you happy. You are very entertained. Okay, now what about amusing?
I don't know.
When we say amusing, Peter, it is making you happy. It's causing laughter, Peter. It's making you laugh. Okay, it's making you entertained. Okay, that is amusing. Now, what about amazing?
I don't know.
When we say amazing, Peter, it means something is very good or it's impressive. Amazing.
Tuyệt vời.
That
Okay.
is it in Vietnamese. Now let us practice. Peter, tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. Okay, so let's start with entertaining.
Is have fun.
What is it, Peter? Positive or negative?
Is positive.
Okay, that's correct. What about hilarious?
Is positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. What about amusing?
Is positive.
Yes, what about predictable?
Is negative.
Okay, what about gripping?
Is positive.
Amazing.
Positive.
Awful.
Negative.
Addictive.
Negative.
Okay, yes, very good. Accurate answers, Peter. Now, let us proceed to this one. We have here more vocabulary. What is sports, Peter?
It's like football, play basketball.
Okay, yes, those are sports. Very good. Peter, what about cooking show?
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say cooking, do you know cooking? Cooking.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a program, a TV program, Peter, about preparing food. How to cook a certain dish. Okay, wait. Cooking show is a TV program about preparing food.
Chương trình nấu ăn là một chương trình truyền hình về việc chuẩn bị thức ăn.
Okay.
Okay, that is it. Now what about news? The news.
Is means news news I don't know.
But do you know this in Vietnamese, Peter?
Yes.
Okay, so when we say news, it is still a TV program with current events and information, Peter, as to what is happening in your country, what is happening around the world. Do you like watching or reading news?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. I'm about to ask what news did you read today? Okay. Now, what about sitcom?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, sitcom, by the way, Peter, is the short form for situational comedy. Okay, sitcom is the short form for situational comedy, and this is a funny TV show about everyday life.
Sitcom là viết tắt của hài kịch tình huống, và đây là một chương trình truyền hình hài hước về cuộc sống thường nhật.
Okay,
Okay.
that is sitcom. Now, what about reality TV?
I don't know.
What about reality? Do you know reality?
No.
Oh, okay. Wait. Reality. It's not fake, Peter.
Okay.
Okay, so that is reality plus we'll add TV. Okay, so this is what it means. Reality TV. It means, Peter, that it is a TV show about real people and real events, okay? Not actors. It shows us what's really happening in reality of life. Okay, not just an act, Peter. Next one, what about game show?
I don't know.
But do you know game, of course. Do you? Game.
Yes.
Okay, so a game show is a TV program where people play games and win prizes.
Game show là một chương trình truyền hình trong đó mọi người chơi trò chơi và giành giải thưởng.
Okay.
Okay, that is it. Do you have game shows in Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. What games do you have, Peter? What kind of games?
It's liên con Free Fire.
And what do players win?
A lot.
Money?
Yes.
Okay, wow. Now, next one, Peter, we also have series.
I don't know.
Okay. Series is a set of connected TV episodes with the same story or characters.
Phim truyền hình dài tập là một tập hợp các tập phim truyền hình có liên kết với nhau, nhưng cùng cốt truyện hoặc nhân vật.
Okay.
Okay, that is series, Peter, by episode. Okay. Now, let us practice, Peter. In here, all you have to do is to fill in have or have not to make these sentences true for you. Okay, what's your answer for the first one?
I I have not watched a cooking show this week.
Okay, do you like cooking, Peter?
No.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Oh, what can you cook?
Egg,
Egg, boiled egg?
rice, yes, noodles, rice,
Oh,
uh,
and what else?
no,
That's it? Noodles, rice, and eggs.
yes,
Okay, still that's fine, Peter. At least you know how to cook, even though you don't like cooking. Okay, why don't you like to cook, Peter? Why don't you like cooking?
because is is
Yeah.
is hot, is hot.
Oh, it's hot. Oh no. But yes, of course, we need that fire, Peter, in order for the food to cook. Without that hot, Peter, we can cook anything. Okay, now let's have two. I,
I have watched the news today.
did you? What news did you watch today?
I have not watched the news today.
I thought you have. Okay, what about three?
I I have not watched a reality TV show this month.
Okay, what about four?
Uh, I I have watched a sitcom recently.
Okay, that's good. Five.
Um, I have watched a game show this week.
And six, Peter.
I have watched sport on TV recently.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Peter. Now let us move on to the dialogue. Okay, so in here, Peter, all you have to do is to read and answer it with me. Okay, yes, you will be Zach. Now let us start. Are you watching any good TV shows at the moment, Zach?
Yes, I am watching a really good comedy series.
Is it on television?
No, it's on Hulu.
Why do you like it?
It uh it hilarious. It always make me laugh.
Do you watch a lot of TV?
Yes, I watch a lot of shows on my laptop.
Do you ever watch reality TV shows?
No, no, I can't stand reality TV shows. They are so boring.
What shows would you recommend?
I love Game of Thrones. It's absolutely
Absolutely.
absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it.
Recommend it. Okay, yes, I highly recommend it. Thank you, Peter. Now let us check your understanding right away. Can you tell me what TV show is Zach watching at the moment?
I don't know.
Okay, can you tell me now?
Comedy series.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Peter. Now, does Zach ever watch reality TV?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
Because he finds it? Why, Peter? Why do you think he doesn't watch reality TV? Because?
Because Jack can stand reality TV shows. They are so boring.
Okay, yes, because it's boring. Now, what TV show does Zach recommend watching?
It's a game show.
Okay, it's the Game of Thrones. Do you know this film, Peter? Game of Thrones?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, that's fine. Now let us have exercise 5 complete the sentence. So in here, all you have to do is to choose the correct answer to complete each sentence and read it aloud. What is your answer for the first one, Peter?
Um, um, are you watching any good TV show at the moment?
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about for 2?
I am watching a good drama series.
3, Peter.
Um, I don't like cooking shows.
Okay, very good. 4.
I would highly recommend watching Friends.
Very good, Peter. 5.
Why do you like it?
What about 6?
Is it on Amazon Prime Video?
That's right. 7.
It's absolute.
It's absolutely
Absolutely. Amazing.
okay, that's right.
Amazing. Amazing. I don't.
I don't.
I don't watch a lot of TV.
Okay, yes, I don't watch a lot of TV. And in here, Peter, it's absolutely amazing. Okay, now let us have exercise 6. Fill in the blanks. In here, you have to read it with me, and you will be Hannah. Now, let us try answering it, Peter, by just looking at the word bank or the answer pool just once. Okay, so we have here watching television on, watch, addictive, and Netflix. Now, let us try. Are you watching any good TV shows at the moment, Hannah?
Yes. Yes. I don't know.
It's yes. How do you answer this question, Peter? What about if I would ask you, are you watching any good TV shows at the moment, Peter? You would say yes, I. Yes, I.
Yes.
Yes,
Uh,
I. Can you look at the answer pool and tell me the answer?
yes, I am.
Okay, yes, I am watching.
Watching a great crime series.
Is it on Hulu?
No, it is on Netflix.
Why do you like it?
It's so. I don't know.
It's so.
I don't know.
Look at the answer pool, Peter.
It's so. It's so addictive.
Continue,
It's so
Peter.
addictive.
Yes, that's right. Continue. I can't.
I can stop watching it.
Do you watch a lot of TV?
I watch the news on television every night. And after that, I watch Netflix for a couple of hours.
Okay, yes, very good, Peter. Do you have Netflix, Peter?
I don't understand.
Oh, you don't know Netflix?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do know. Okay. Now let us have ordering. Put the words into the correct order. What's the answer for one?
Um, I am a, I am a, I am a great. I am watching a great cooking show.
Okay, yes, that's right, Peter. I'm watching a great cooking show. Okay, now we'll continue the rest next meeting, Peter, so you can eat now. Thank you. Goodbye, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.